Hello everyone, so first we are taking hair from one side and then we are securing it with the clip, then taking hair from the another side and then repeating the same steps 3 times and then your simple easy hairstyle is ready. Next we are taking a low ponytail, we are going to loosen it up a little bit, then applying this clutcher. After that taking the excess hair which are untied and then applying a rubber band on them. After that adding a bobby pin on them and you can see your hairstyle is ready. Next we are dividing our hair into 2 parts and then taking some parts from both the sides as you can see one by one and then making this beautiful braid. After the braid is done, we are going to secure it by using a simple rubber band. Now you can decorate it as you want. Next we are going to take hair and then putting a finger between the hair and then twisting them around into this simple bun as you can see clearly in the video. After that applying this hair clip on our hair to secure it and it's done. Next we are going to take a ponytail, applying this clip on our hair and then taking the hair and folding them out with the help of this black pin and then you can see a simple easy bun is ready. Next we are going to take a low ponytail, applying this clip on them, taking the hair and folding it out as you can see simply into a low shape bun. Next we are going to take a low ponytail, applying this clutcher on it, then at the last we are going to apply a rubber band and then folding it out into a simple bun. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking our hair, putting a finger in our hair then folding them out into this bun as you can see. Now secure it with a hair clip. Next we are going to take our hair and then by using our finger we are going to twist them around into this bun and then applying this clutcher at the top for securing it. After that it is ready. Next we are going to take a low ponytail, then applying a rubber band at the end and folding it out and then securing it with a pin into a bun. Next we are going to take our hair, folding them around with our finger, then applying this beautiful clutcher to our bun. Next we are going to take a ponytail and using this beautiful clutcher on our hair, then we are going to fold our hair from the bottom into the simple bun. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a low ponytail. Using this tool we are going to pass it through itself by the side and then taking the excess hair and putting a rubber band at the last and then folding it out into this bun and using this pole clip for securing it.